Listen to the sound of that crunch. Oh, and oven baked, I've got all the tips, guys. Plus, you're gonna want a really awesome spicy dipping sauce. Don't miss out on that coconut sriracha. These are my oven baked salt and pepper wings. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Crispy wings, no deep frying, no huge amounts of oil. It all comes down to the preparation. So first off, let's start with some peppercorns, and I'm gonna go all out here and use 2 different types. First of all, I want some black peppercorns. And then I'm also using Szechuan peppercorns. Now these guys have like a tingly sort of hot sensation. I love them. You could go all black peppercorn if you like, but these are a little bit special. And I'm gonna grind these up fresh. I really think with this one, when the main flavor is the pepper and the salt, it's really important you have really fresh spices. Okay, so this is the kind of texture that you're looking for. And I just wanna sprinkle these straight onto my chicken wings. And now I want a really decent pinch of salt here. And then the little secret ingredient that we need to make these wings super crispy might be a little bit of a surprise, but it's baking powder. So baking powder is an ingredient that is alkaline. So it will make the outside of the chicken wings more likely to get brown and crispy. It's a little chemical reaction kind of thing. I'm not going to get too food nerdy on you, but that's the reason for the baking powder. Now the other thing we need to do here is make sure we've got plenty of room for our wings to have lots of hot air going all around them. So I've got to set up here with just a baking rack and a baking tray, and I'm just going to oil that rack so I don't get my wings sticking. And now lay your wings out, try and give them plenty of space, as I said, so they've got lots of hot air going all around them. Okay, now the next really important part to getting really crispy wings here is that we need to first of all cook them in a really low, slow oven, and that's going to help a lot of that fat to render out and the skin to crispen up, and then we're going to do a second bake later on. So first up, 30 minutes. Now, these guys are off to a really good start. What I want to do is turn them over just so we get some even color. Now I've cranked the oven up really high, and these are going to go back in for another 40 minutes. Okay guys, I can't even tell you how amazing these are smelling. I am so hungry right now. But let's have a look and see how we went with the crispy. And can you hear that? So crispy, oh my God. And so amazing that we didn't have to deep fry them. I mean, I'm all for deep frying chicken. I love that as well. But this is just a healthier version for when you need to feel a little bit more virtuous. Now I'm just gonna serve these up. With a little bit of spring onion as well. And then of course, because I know you guys know me by now and I've got to have all the spice, I'm going to serve mine with a little hot sauce, my very special coconut sriracha, which just goes so well with these salt and pepper wings. Ah, look at that. And the crunch and the flavor and the spice. Oh yes. These are really good. I'm going to double dip. That way no one else can have any. Oh, so good. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.